Hit Shift A to add a mesh and then a plane. Let's scale this plane up and move this up here. When I hit play, right now nothing happens, but not to worry, we're going to fix it. Click here on your sphere or on your cube if you have that. Then go here and add the collision, because we will collide with this one. Then click this one, this is already selected. We're going to add cloth. Right now this won't do anything, so let's go here to the edit mode, right click and subdivide. And you can create multiple subdivisions. Let's go for something around 30. Go back here to object mode, and now you hit play. This falls over it. This is a great start, but not yet exactly what we want. This can be better. So we can go here, then add a modifier, and look for subdivision, and then it's better also to right click and shade smooth. And right now this wraps around nicely. And as you can apply cloth to objects in Blender.